Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Iceland. So let's get started. So here we can see Iceland has a thousand number of people unemployed and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online without any investment and without any capital is through freelancing. So here we can directly go to the Fiverr. So Fiverr is a marketplace where you can sell anything to the business owner and potential buyers. So what to sell? So you can sell here the social media manager gig. You can be a content writer, do video editing. You can help people to make their slogans and taglines, produce their YouTube intros, promos and slideshows and other things. Okay, and other things. So here we can see Fiverr. So Fiverr is a very good place to sell. Okay. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.